Hello there. Third class, unit 1 from your term 1. Okay. What is first unit? At home with grandfather. At home with grandfather. So, to make this video short, I'll be making it easy and understandable. Please concentrate. Look at this picture. Do you like the mountains? Have you ever been there? Yes, we have all saw the mountains, right? And we also went to villages. We went no. There we can see the mountains. If not, you can see here in the picture. So Heidi is a small girl. She has come from the city to the mountains. She has come to live with her grandfather there. Does she like her new home? So what is the girl name? Girl name is Heidi. Spell out the word Heidi. Heidi. She was a small girl and she has come from the city to the mountains. So she used to stay like us in the city and she went to the mountains, means a village side area, and where she used to live with her grandmother there. Does she like her new home? So did she like the new home? So Heidi wanted to see everything inside the hut. She walked up to her grandfather. He was sitting in front of the hut. So Heidi, what she wanted to do? She wanted to see everything inside the hut. Hut we all know. So she walked up to her grandfather. She went near the grandfather. He was sitting in front of the hut. Right. What do you want? He asked. So grandfather, what he is asking? He is asking, what do you want, Heidi? So I want to see inside the hut, said Heidi. Come then, he said. So Heidi said, I want to see everything uh, in the hut. Then what grandfather is saying? He's saying, come then, I will show you. Grandfather is saying. He opened the door to a big room. Inside the room were a table, a chair and a bed. There was a fireplace and against the wall was a large cupboard. So as soon as he opened the door, what were there? A big room. We know room. Inside the room were a table. We know all table, a chair and a bed. And there is a fireplace. There was a fireplace. We know what is fireplace. To warm our body we use it. And against the wall was a large cupboard. We all have cupboards at our school. Yes, in the same way, there was a large cupboard. Grandfather walked to the cupboard and opened it. His clothes were arranged neatly inside. On one shelf, there were some plates, cups, and glasses. On the another shelf was some bread and a large pieces of cheese. So our grandfather, he opened the cupboard. One side his clothes were there arranged neatly, and you people has to arrange your clothes neatly. We learn from this, okay? And in the same way, and the other place in the cupboard there were cups and glasses and plates, and one more shelf there was a bread and large pieces of cheese. We know cheese, we eat, no, that one. Let's eat something, said grandfather. What grandfather is saying? He is saying let eat something. Yes. Then Heidi ran to the cupboard. Heidi ran to the cupboard. She brought out the round loaf of a bread and two plates and knives. Grandfather toasted the cheese on the fire and Heidi set the table neatly. So what Heidi did, she ran to the cupboard and she brought what she brought? She brought round loaf of bread. So there was a bread which was shaped in a round. So she brought two plates and knife. Yes, you can see. Then grandfather toasted the cheese. He baked, we can say toasted. So cheese on the fire. Heidi set the table neatly. Heidi, what she did, she arranged the table neatly. Grandfather then filled a bowl with a hot milk. He gave Heidi an apple. Grandfather, what did he do? What did he do? He filled a bowl. We were having bowl at home, right? with hot milk. Yes, with the milk. He gave Heidi an apple. What he gave to Heidi? An apple, a large slice of bread, some of the cheese, and the milk, and told her to eat. So, a bowl of hot milk and a large slice of bread he gave to Heidi, and gave to Heidi and asked her to eat. Heidi drank the tasty milk until the bowl was empty. Then she ate everything grandfather gave her. So what did Heidi do? She uh, drank that bowl full of hot milk, and even the slice of bread, whatever the grandfather given to Heidi, she had it. You can see in the picture until the bowl was empty. After lunch, grandfather mended some things in the hut. Heidi followed him and watched all that he did, and so the time passed happily till evening. So, what after lunch, what grandfather do? He kept some things and some arrangements he did in the cupboard, and what Heidi did, she followed whatever the things was doing by grandfather. Suddenly she heard a whistle. The goats were coming down the mountains with Peter. Suddenly what she heard? She heard a whistle sound. So the goats were roaming down the mountains with Peter. There was a boy who was coming with the goats through the mountain. So Heidi ran out, made them. Two beautiful goats went up to grandfather. Peter went away with the other goats. So two beautiful goats went up to the grandfather. Then Peter, what he do? Peter went away with the other goats. He left those two goats and he went with the remaining goats. Go get the bread and your bowl, Heidi, said grandfather. So what Heidi is saying to grandfather? She's saying to get the bread and your bowl. Heidi soon come back with the bread and bowl. Grandfather milked, milked, milked a goat and filled the bowl for Heidi. So as Heidi, what did grandfather do? He filled the bowl with the milk. Then he gave her a piece of bread and said, "You should eat your food. Then you can go to bed and sleep well." So what grandfather is saying, after drinking the milk, you can go to the bed. Then, "Good night, grandfather," she said. Grandfather smiled and took the goats to the shed behind the hut. So after saying good night, grandfather said Heidi to go to the bed, and Heidi smiled, and grandfather sent the goats to shed. Then Heidi ate quickly, then went indoor and climbed into bed. Soon she was asleep, dreaming of an adventure in her new home on the hills. As soon as grandfather said her good night, she jumped into the bed, and what she did, she fell asleep soon, and she had a dream of an adventure, means something new, facing a challenges. Adventure means, and that's it. To make this video short, I'm ending here, and coming to the part of our question and answers and exercises. I'll be sending you in groups. Okay, go through reading, watch this video 2 to 3 times to understand. Okay, what we learn from this, we can learn anything from our elder ones, right? Yes.